Welcome to Martinez Cabinets. We're a custom manufacturing company that's been in business since 1967. We custom manufacture all of our cabinets here. We do anything from vinyl cabinets up to custom wood cabinets, anything to suit any customer's desires, wants, or needs. For a cabinet, the actual construction of the cabinet, Tracy, you want to kind of
Yeah, our
explain that?
cabinets, the box, the basic interior of the cabinets constructed out of white melamine. There again, it's a melamine, not a paper. A lot of people, they kind of get a little nervous when they hear white melamine because of water and swelling. Well, ours is not a paper coating on it, it's actual melamine, which is not a high pressure laminate like your laminate countertop, but it's got a lot of features of it. It's more of basically a low pressure type, so it holds up the water a little bit better. But one reason we use the white interiors too is when you open your cabinets, it's bright. I've had cabinets where you open the doors and it's so dark in there you have to have a flashlight to see what's in the cabinet, so that's another reason why we like to use that. And it's pretty much ready to go the moment it's installed. So.
And to add to that a little bit, they're easy to keep clean. It's like you said, there's easy to find things in there, and most consumers are looking for something like that. In terms of the exterior, I would say that today's market demands a white cabinet, and by far a white vinyl cabinet is going to be the most durable product out there today. It's very forgiving, it's easy to keep clean. You can just take a damp cloth and wipe it off and keep it clean, whereas you wouldn't want to do that with some of the other finishes. There are other finishes available, and we do a fair amount of those as well. But to give you an example, this being a white vinyl cabinet, you can take this and do like this, and it's not going to scratch. But if you do that to a painted cabinet or a stained cabinet or a wood cabinet, you're going to see that mark on that cabinet. So it's far more durable and far more forgiving. We do also offer for that consumer that's looking for a stained look, but that their budget will not afford them to go to a stained product. They do also come in a wide variety of wood grain vinyls. This is a wood grain vinyl, as are some of the pieces on the wall here. All of these are wood grain vinyls. This is a wood grain vinyl that has a glaze over it, which kind of gives that old world look. Again, that's a savings to doing a wood cabinet with a glaze on it. It does lose some of that durability when you do the glaze on top of it. With this particular process, there are a couple of different processes of glaze. I think a couple of customers have asked in the past, why do we not stain the back of our wood doors? And that question usually is directly related to a wood grain vinyl door, whereas it's different than a wood door. With a wood grain vinyl, because we order our door material in mass quantities and it comes in already white one side so that that melamine interior matches, it's white already. Because this is a vinyl wrap and it's wrapped just like our white doors are in that vacuum press, that's why you have the white on the back of a wood grain look door. Now if you go with a true stain door, like the one you have here, this door, as you can tell, it is truly stained on the back side, front and back. Okay, does that thoroughly answer that question?
What is the melamine applied to? MDF board? Or
it's usually an MDF.
It's an MDF board. Yeah. On the doors, it's an MDF board. On the actual interior of the cabinets, I hate to say the word particle board because but the density of it's a lot greater. It's a lot stronger. They have a lot more glue in it than your typical standard particle board. So.